Let us continue solid state. FCC will continue. First we will see FCC model. In the FCC model, this is FCC model. In this FCC model, you see that this is one layer. This is first layer. This we will say as second layer. This will say as second layer. This is what means third layer. It is third layer. This is what means fourth layer. Like this is there. Okay. So 4 layers are there. So this is a first layer corner. This is a second layer corner. These two are second layer corners. These two are second layer corners. These two are second layer corners. In the second layer corner, this is one corner. It is second layer corner. This second layer corner. These two are second layer corners. Okay. Then these two are third layer corners. These two are third layer corners. This is a third layer corner. This is fourth layer corner. Okay. So in this third layer, if you see, 3 pink color balls are there. No, 3 pink color balls are face centers. In this second layer, 3 yellow color balls will be there. 3 yellow color balls in second layer. Those 3 are face centers. Now see. Now we'll take this is fourth layer corner. We'll take out. This is third layer. This third layer. Sorry. Then we will take second layer. Second layer we will see. This is second layer. Okay. This is second layer. This third layer. That we will take. This second layer. This third layer. In this second layer, this green is corner. This green is corner. This green is corner. Corners, if you join, you will get triangle. These 3 yellowish green, these 3 yellowish green, these 3 are face centers. These 3 are face centers, we can say. Face centers, if you join, you will get a triangle. Face centers, if you join, you will get a triangle. Then this is third layer. Okay, it is one layer. Like this also we can say. This is yellowish green corner. It is corner. It is corner. This yellowish green corner, it is corner, it is corner. 3 corners. These 3 pink color balls are face centers. These 3 pink color balls are face centers. Now you see, this is second layer. It is one layer we'll take. This is one layer we'll take. Now we'll keep the layers like this. If we keep the 2 layers like this, okay. Now you see 3 pink color balls. You see in front of you 3 pink color balls are there. Now you see 3 yellowish green. You see 3 yellowish green. You see 3 yellowish green is face centers triangle. 3 pink color balls face centers triangle. Okay. So again I will say 3 pink color balls face centers triangle. One layer. Next I will show like this. I will show like this. Now 3 yellowish green color balls you see, that is also face centers. 3 yellowish green color balls you see, that is also face centers. Okay. Sorry. Now these 3 face centers you join, you will get a triangle. These 3 face centers you join, you will get a triangle. Can you see? Can you say at the back of this triangle, pink color triangle is there? Can you say? Pink color triangle is there. Can you say? Pink color triangle is there. Can you say or not? You see? Okay. Pink color triangle for this 3 yellow color, 3 yellowish green, 3 yellowish green triangle. For that back pink color triangle is there. Okay. Now you say which void it is. Which void do you say? What is the void of the 3 pink color? The 3 pink color or 3 yellowish green. What void that is you say? What void will you say? This void is called what? What is this void? What is this void called? Okay, what is this void called? Or what is the shape of that? First you say, like this is there. Okay, now see, you consider these three yellowish green, then these three pink. Okay, triangle, pink triangle, yellowish green triangle. Keep one over another. Keep one over another. If you join three yellowish green and three pink, if you join, you are getting octahedral. Correct? Now this void will take. This void will take. Shall we say this is octahedral void? Sir, you are saying this is octahedral void. Okay, sir. So if we consider 6 phase centers, you are getting a octahedron. You are getting, sir. This is one layer particle. This is a one layer particle. We can say this is a second layer. Second layer we arrange. This is a third layer. This is third layer we are arranging. Third layer. Now we will go for a fourth layer. This is a what means fourth layer. It is fourth layer. 4 layers we arrange. Now this is a first layer corner. Okay, so first layer corner we said. First layer corner we are saying. Next we are saying this is first layer corner. This is second layer. In this second layer, this is corner, this is corner, this is corner. In this third layer, this is corner, this is corner. Here one corner is there. Here one corner. Here one corner. It is a fourth layer corner. It is fourth layer corner. Okay. So if we join, now FCC we will get or not, we will see. Okay. So what I will do means, I will I will do like this. Okay, it is like this is there. Now what I am doing, see, I will do like this. Okay, I did like this now. Then I will do like this. Okay, so what I did again, I will say, you see. So this first layer corner, this is a second layer corner. Okay, this is second layer corner. In the left hand, I am holding first layer corner. In the right hand, I am holding second layer corner. I will bring down of second layer corner. I will bring up of first layer corner. Okay. Then, so I did like this. Then what I will do, you see. Second layer corner, third layer corner. Second layer corner, third layer corner. I will bring them down. This is second layer corner. It is third layer corner. I will hold them. I will bring them down. Okay. So I brought like this. I brought like this. Okay. Now, face centered cubic means 6 square faces we have to get, and face centers we have to get. No, now you see. From here, go to this place, go to this place, come to this place, come back to this place. Is it a square face? Is it a face center? Okay. Now we will see this side. This side we will see. For that I will rotate. Okay. So from here, from this center point, go to this center point, go to this center point, come to this center point, come back to this center point. Is it a square? Is it a square face center? Then in this face I will say, for this I will rotate this molecule. This from this center, go to this center, go to this center, come to this center, come back to this center. You will get a square face. Is it a face center? Then this face I will show. I will show this face. From this corner, from this center, go to this center, go to this center, go to this center, come to this center. Okay, it is square face. It is face center. Top face I will show. Top face, top face, top face I am showing. So from this center, go to this center, go to this center, come to this center, come back to this center. It is square face. It is face center. For this face, back face I will show. This back face. This back face. Okay. This back face, you see, from this center, go to this center, go to this center, come to this center, come back to this center. Is it a square face? Is it face center? So how many square faces we have shown? 6 square faces. Simultaneously, we said face centers, we said. Simultaneously, we said face centers. Correct? So that is it FCC? FCC means 8 corners, 6 square faces, 6 face centers. So it is FCC. But in this FCC, to say this FCC, how many layers we considered? 4 layers we considered. To say this FCC, we considered 4 layers. Okay. To say this FCC, we considered 4 layers. That is, see, now this we can call it as a, this we can say it is first layer. Okay. Then we can say it is second layer. We can say it is second layer. Then so this is what means, this is what means first layer. This is what means second layer. Then this is what means third layer. This is what means third layer. Next what means fourth layer. Next what means fourth layer. So 4 layers we got. Correct? So we got how many layers means 4 layers we got. So FCC means understand that 4 layers we have to take. A, B, C, A. Fourth layer particle is identical to first layer particle. So FCC means understand that 4 layers. Okay, 4 layers. So FCC means we got an idea that 4 layers we got. Sir. So now we will say that this is FCC will take. Okay, this is FCC. So in this FCC, you see that this is what means first layer corner. This is first layer corner. Okay, this is first layer corner, we can say. Now, then we will go for a second layer corner. We'll go for second layer corner. This is a second layer corner. Its neighbor is second layer corner. Its neighbor is second layer corner. Okay. We said second layer corners, we said. Next we'll go for a third layer corners, we'll go for third layer corners. Now we can say for this second layer corner, it is third layer corner. For this second layer corner, this is third layer corner. For this second layer corner, it is third layer corner. For this second layer corner, next is third layer corner. For third layer corner, neighbor is fourth layer corner. For this third layer corner, neighbor is fourth layer corner. For this third layer corner, neighbor is fourth layer corner. Okay, you got an idea. This is actually, this is one FCC unit cell. This is one FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, corners we have taken in 4 layers. This is one layer, first layer. This is second layer. This is second layer, second layer. If you join second layer corners, will you get a triangle or not? You see. If you join second layer corners, will you get a triangle or not? You see. If you join third layer corners, will you get a triangle or not? See. Now, if you join second layer corners, how that layer will look? Will it look like a cross or what you see? If you join third layer corners, you will get third layer. That third layer, will it look cross or not? You see, it will look cross. So now we can say this is a bottom face. This bottom face is in how many layers? Can you say? This bottom face is in how many layers? This bottom face is in how many layers? That we will see. This is one layer. This is a neighboring layer. Then this is a neighboring layer. 3 layers are there, isn't it? Correct? So this corner is in one layer. Above that, this second layer corners are there. Above that, this third layer corner is there. Like that, 3 layers are there. So that this face, bottom face means it is not one layer, it is in 3 layers. Sir. So how to consider FCC? How to consider FCC? You see that FCC means FCC in the sense FCC in the sense we should not consider plainly, we should not consider we have to consider like ABCA layers, like this you have to consider. ABCA layers you have to consider it. Sir, now we will take to say octahedron. Now we want to know in FCC octahedron possibility, we want to know it. In FCC octahedron is possible. So that only octahedral void we can say. Because we discussed that in the lattice, in HCP and FCC lattice, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids possible, we said. Now we took this is FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, we will say octahedron, we will say. Then we will go for octahedral void, we will go. To say octahedron, in this FCC unit cell, we want to say octahedron. To say octahedron, we want 6 particles. That 6 particles we will take as phase centers. So 3 phase centers from one layer and next 3 phase centers from another layer we will take. So first I will take 3 phase centers. This is one phase center. It is another phase center. This is another phase center. These 3 phase centers are neighbors or not, you say? This phase center is neighbor to this phase center. This phase center is neighbor to this phase center. So these 3 phase centers are in one layer. Do you agree this? These 3 phase centers are in one layer. Okay. Next 3 phase centers I will take. This is one phase center. For this phase center, neighbor is this. For this phase center, neighbor is this. Okay. Now this blue neighbor, this blue is one phase center. This blue is one phase center. This blue is one phase center. This blue is in one layer. This orange phase centers are in another layer. Orange phase centers layer, blue phase centers layer are neighbors, are neighboring layers. Now we will see using these 6 phase centers, can we get octahedron? That we will see. So first what I will do means first I will draw a square, I will draw it. First I will draw square, I will draw it. So I will join these two, I will join first. Next I will start from here, going to this place. I will start from here, coming to here. I will start from here, going to this place. I got a square. Sorry. Octahedron means 8 equivalent equilateral triangles we have to get. So I will start from here. I will go to this place. Then from here, I will come to this place. Now you say, we have got triangle. Do you agree this? Number 1, number 2, number 3. On joining number 1, 2, 3. On joining 1, 2, 3, we got triangle. Do you agree this? Sir. So we got one triangle now. One triangle we got. Okay. Actually, what triangle we have to get means equilateral triangle we have to get, but it will not look like equivalent triangle. Okay, because we are drawing 3D in 2D, so that Then we will join, we will start from here. We will go to this place. So is it one triangle? Is it one triangle or not, you see? Then we'll start from here. We'll go to this place. Now, how many triangles we got, you say? How many triangles we got? So you say that now we have drawn here green color lines we have drawn. Using this top face center, we drawn triangles. How many triangles we got? Do you say 4 or 5 or 6 or 1 or 5? How many do you say? How many triangles we got? From this top face center. Okay, from this top face center, we drew green color layer, green color lines we drew. Using this, we got triangles. How many triangles we got? Do you agree 4 triangles? Sir, you are agreeing 4 triangles. Next, we'll start from this bottom face center. We'll draw a line to this. Then we'll draw a line to this one. Sir, so now we got one triangle. And now you see that this from this blue, we drew one line to this one. Then we drew one line to this one. Is it one triangle or not, you see? Is it one triangle or not? It is one triangle. Next, from this blue, we will go to this face center. Is it one triangle or do we get one triangle or not, you see? Next, from this face center, we will go to this orange. So now how many triangles we got, you see? So using this bottom face center, have we got 4 triangles? Have we got 4 triangles? That means totally how many triangles we got? Have we got 8 triangles? If you agree 8 triangles, then it is octahedron. Then we will call this is as octahedron. If you agree calling this is as octahedron, then we can say this is a center of octahedron. We can call this is as a center of octahedron. Okay, center of octahedron we can call. Now you say center of octahedron we got. What is this center of octahedron? If you agree this one as octahedron, then you come to the point of this center of octahedron. This center of octahedron is called what do you say? Center of this octahedron is called what? What is the name of this center of octahedron? Do you say it is a void? Do you say it is a void or not? If you say it is a void, it is which void that you say? First, do you agree this is as octahedron? Do you agree this is as octahedron? So you are saying that this center of octahedron is a octahedral void. So you are now we will take this is FCC unit cell. We will take this is the FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, we drew octahedron. We do octahedron. Now this center, this is center of octahedron. This center of octahedron, you are calling as a, you are calling this is as a octahedral void. You are calling this is as octahedral void. Okay, sorry. So you are calling a this is as a octahedral void. Then shall we say? So this center of this point you said octahedron void. You said, sorry. Okay. This point you said octahedron void. You said okay. Now we will see. Now we will see this is as a FCC. We will take. We say we are taking this is as a FCC. Sorry. This we took as a FCC. This is a FCC unit cell. For this FCC unit cell, which point is called a center point? Now this FCC unit cell we will consider as a one body. One body we will consider. This FCC unit cell we will consider as a one body. For this body, what is the center point. That center point is called body center. That body center is this. Now you say, do you call this body center as any special name if you consider this is as a FCC unit cell? If you consider this complete as one FCC unit cell, then this body center, for this body center, do you call any special name? Any special name do you say? Or just do you say it is body center, do you say? If we consider this complete one as FCC unit cell, in this FCC unit cell, this point is called corner, first corner. This is called face center. Like this, if we consider, you are considering this is as one FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, this is one corner. This is one face center. This is corner. Like this, if we consider, then this body center name, any special name do you say? This body center name is called what you say. So for this FCC unit cell, this body center is called what? This body center is called what? This body center is called what? Do you say this body center as a void? If you say this is as a void, will you say it is a tetrahedral void? Or will you say it is the octahedral void? Or which one do you say this one? Which one do you say this one? Sir. Now we will complete this one. This is a first we will consider this is as a FCC unit cell. Sir. So first we will write corners. This is first corner. It is second corner. It is a third corner. It is fourth corner. Fifth corner. Sixth corner. Seventh corner. Eighth corner. 8 corners we say. Next we will say face centers. We will say first face center, second face center, third face center, fourth face center, fifth face center, sixth face center. 6 face centers we said. Now you say this is FCC unit cell. Okay. This is FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, black represent corners. This blue, sky blue represents, this blue represents face centers. Now we can say this is the body center. This is the body center. For this FCC unit cell, I will consider as one body. For this body, center point is this. Now you say this body center is called what? Will you say it is as a void? This body center, will you say it is as a void or not? First you say this. Will you say this is as a void or not? If you say this is as a void, then which void will you say? Tetrahedral void or octahedral void or cubic void? Which void do you say? Triangular void, which void will you say? Okay, so you are calling this is as a octahedral void. So we can say for FCC unit cell, this is the FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, this is the body center. The body center is nothing but octahedral void. Okay, it is a conclusion. Conclusion completed. Okay, so what is the conclusive statement? This is FCC unit cell. You may be asking another question also. Why did you draw FCC unit cell like this? In this 8 small cubes are there. No, only one small cube you can take and you can say that as FCC. No, like that also you may be asking. If you take a compound called iron, we will say it is FCC. Suppose if you take NaCl, ionic compound, if you take, it is also FCC only. Then what shall we do? So for that case only we consider like this. Okay, sir. So this is this complete is called a FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, this body center is called a octahedral void. Okay, so conclusion is what means? For this FCC unit cell, this is called body center. Body center is called octahedral void. Okay, this is confirmed. In this one, any doubt is there? So we came to conclusive statement. This is one FCC unit cell. For this FCC unit cell, it is a body center. The body center is called octahedral void. It is conclusion. Sorry, okay. So we got a conclusive statement. So we will go for a next point. We'll go for next point. Sorry. So in the next point, what is the next point means? In the FCC unit cell, is there any other place called octahedral void? Is there any other place called octahedral void? Okay. So now this is a FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, which other points called octahedral void? Which other points called octahedral void? That we want to say. Okay. So this is the FCC unit. This is the FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, which other points called octahedral void? Sir, do you give any idea for this, or only one octahedral void, that is body center, do you say? Sir, we will check it. Which one, whether any possibility is there or not, we'll check it. Sir, now we can call this is one FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, at corners and face centers, constituent particles present. Now we are going for which point in the sense? We are going for which point in the sense? Is there any other places called octahedral void? Is there any other places called octahedral void? That we want to know it. For which we are discussing. Sorry, okay. So first octahedron. Octahedron means 6 particles we want. Sir, which 6 particles we have to consider? Which 6 particles we have to consider? That we have to see. Sir, so one I will take this corner. One I will take this corner. 2 I will take this face center. 3 I will take this face center. Okay. Then third I have to take, no. Third I want to take. So third, the 3 we considered. 3 particles we said. 1 corner, 3 face centers, 2 face centers we considered. We said 3 more particles we have to say. We have to say 3 more particles. Sorry. So now we will consider this is 1 corner. Next, we will take still more 2 particles we want to say. Then only we will get totally 6 we will get. So 2 more particles are which one? That we will see. 2 more particles, which one? That point we will see. Sir, 2 more particles. Now you see. Here. In this case you see. This is what means corner. This is what means face center. This is what means face center. This is what means corner. That is corner. Now what do you say regarding this? This and this. Shall we say this is a corner, shall we say, or face center, shall we say? What shall we say regarding this? What shall we say regarding that? Shall we say that is as a corner, or shall we say that is as a face centers? What shall we say? Shall we say that this is a face center, can we consider? This is a face center, can we consider? Or shall we say as a corner? Which shall we say? To say to say this octahedron. We want to be regarding this, whether it is a corner or face center, we want to know it. Then only we can say whether this is a corner or face center. Regarding this also we want whether this is a corner or face center, we want to know it. Which if we know, then only we can say. What shall we do? So you are saying that phase centers of neighboring particles, you are saying. Phase centers of neighboring particles. Sorry. We'll see this one in the phase centers of neighboring particles. You are saying phase centers of neighboring particles. That means you are taking this is one phase center. This is one phase center you are taking. This is one phase center. You are taking this is as a phase center. Phase centers of neighboring particles you are taking. On joining these, we are getting octahedron. Sorry. On joining this, we are getting octahedron. Okay. Then we can say it is a octahedron center point. We can say it is octahedral void. Sorry, it is octahedral void. So now these two phase centers, now 4 phase centers are there here. As per your point of view, these 4 are 4 phase centers. These 4 phase centers in which layers? Are they in only one layer? Are they in only one layer? Shall we say? They are in different layers, shall we say? They are in different layers, shall we say? Which we want to say? They are in one layer or different layers? So different layers you are saying. They are in different layers means, sorry, okay. So anyhow, you are saying different layers, okay. Anyhow, how we have to get means, how we have to get in the sense, totally 2 layers only should be there. Totally 2 layers. Totally 2 layers in the sense, totally 2 layers, and how the 2 layers should be there means three balls in one layer, 3 balls in another layer, like that only should be there. So we will take these 3 in one layer, we'll take one layer. Then we'll take these three in another layer, we'll take another layer, we'll take. Now this triangle